Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I've got a couple of days worth of growth. I'm using my Amber Aerolite by Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. Nice soft 24mm shaving brush. But the style of the show today, you see by the title of the video, is the A Razorock American Barber Italian shaving soap, and it's accomplished. So this the scent overall. So if you didn't know, the scent for this is sort of like a Rive Gauche barbershop. It's got a greenness to it, freshness, powdery. But for me, it's sort of Rive Gauche and a bit of Razorock pour on, in the sense that there's quite a bit of a aniseed, sharp aniseed to this. It's really nice, very nice, and the aftershave is strong as well, lasts a fair few hours. So I hope you're doing okay, alright, having a good weekend, enjoying whatever you want to enjoy today. My regular razor, Legend Jugger D89 head, and PAA handle. This is my go-to now. Don't really use anything else, and there's a feather blade in there. I think it's like its 5th or 6th use. It just keeps on going. So without further ado, let's go on with pass number one. Okay, pass number one. So Razorock American Barber. It's true what they say with feathers, very sharp on your first, maybe even second use. Come nice and smooth thereafter. They say this is about my 5th, maybe even 6th use of this razor for full shave, and still feels fine. Second I feel it dropping off. That's how I do it. I just go with one blade. It does feel like it's going off, and then I'll use another. So yeah, Razorock American Barber. Razorock has most of their soaps are vegan soap, and they do a couple of tallow ones. This is one of their vegan ones. Doesn't it detract? It's got a very nice slickness to this. It's not overly soap. It's not as slick as, say, a Sterling soap or something like that, which is a tallow based. But this one, you see the puck right here. Yeah, they give you a good amount. I mean, these are cheap in the UK for the artisan. They come across about 11 to 12 pounds a puck, and you get 5 ounces, which is 150ml. So it's somewhere around 12 pounds. Well, that's good value for money. The scent of them are always pretty strong. At least this one is. The soap smells nice. You'll feel the room for the scent. Yet the aftershave smells better. For some reason, it just smells even better. And they're a really good soap for the money. With scent strength, I would say I got sort of 7 or maybe even 8 out of 10 for its strength. They are a reasonably strong scent. And just washing off, there's still slickness there, so it's not all completely gone. once you wash it, it's still a bit there. Very nice. And getting that lovely fresh scent. You get a bit of water on it. Oh, and it just aerates. It's got a bit of herbal feel to it, as I say, with like an aniseedy bite. Very nice. Just lather up for my second and final pass. I hope you're doing okay. Enjoying the videos I'm knocking out again. I have times where I just don't feel like it. And other times I bash so much out I burn myself out. That's what happens. But I do enjoy making videos. I've done videos on and off for YouTube for 10 years now, and if I didn't enjoy it, I wouldn't have been going that long. So let's get on to my second and final pass. Okay, second and final pass. Yeah, nice slickness to this, but it's not overly done. It's just nice. It's just exactly what you really need. There's no more than what you need. And there certainly isn't less. A good all-round soap. It lathers relatively easy. You actually have to have a fair bit of water to it, else it gets it's a dry one else, but well, enough water in it, it's really good. Quite strong scent, as I said. But you got like a slight sort of aniseed feel to your barbershops to enjoy this one. So it reminds me of Rive Gauche, sort of a mix between Rive Gauche and a bit of that aniseed that's in A Razorock American. You sort of got what this one is. So it provides nice slickness. You can go over the skin like you've seen a couple of times. Still enough slickness there with the soap, just about. So, you're watching a fair few videos, obviously. There's lots of people I watch shaving, fragrances, video games, all sorts of things. I would say YouTube is probably the thing I go to the most when it comes to watching anything, apart from movies. There we go. Look right there. Got the other side. Yeah, and I'm enjoying anybody who puts videos out, and enjoying your videos. Because you know if I've subscribed to you or not. I don't comment that much. Not much of a commenter, but I do thumbs up videos that I like. So your videos will have, if you got any thumbs up on your videos, one of them will be mine. And this is a sort of third pass on the neck, sort of gets like little stragglers. I don't go for BBS, but it gets stragglers under the neck. And that, ladies and gents, is an amazing shave. Yeah, I would say even between 7 and 8 out of 10 when it comes to the scent. Very nice. So I'm going to wash off and then I'll come back for my post shave. Absolutely baby butt, lovely. Yeah. Perfectly smooth. Very nice. So, see how long I've had this. It's all crinkly. I've literally got that much left. A couple of shaves worth at least. This is the aftershave. I do believe it's in aftershave concentration. Not too sure, to be honest, but I'll say this smells even better than the soap, in my opinion. It's got more of a little bit more like a citrus when you put it on. Same scent, just a little hint you get the citrus a bit more. Oh, I mean, it's a bit smoother. Oh God, quite strong. That is amazing. Ladies and gents, an American Barber shave from Razorock. If you don't shave this way, but you watch this channel and you're into fragrances, just pick up a bottle of this aftershave, splash a bit on in the morning, you know, after a couple of hours, spray your fragrance on the oven for the rest of the day, go about your business. Well, this stuff, you're really going to enjoy it. Oh, it's got a beautiful scent to it. If you like that sort of Razorock pour on kind of smell with Rive Gauche. Very nice. So, run through what I used today. Today was a Razorock American Barber shave. I used the Edge and Jagger head with the PAA stainless steel handle, which is my go-to razor now. Style of the show, like I said, is the American Barber set from Razorock. A great one if you've never tried it. There are better soaps, as in more cushioning, more slickness, but this does exactly what you need. It doesn't do any more than what you actually need to have a shave. Really nice, and of course, like I said, finished off with the aftershave. Tiny little bit of burn, not much at all. It was there for a couple of seconds, it went away. Sign of a great shave. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helped me out. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed the shave today. Really good shave today. I enjoyed that. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon on the next one.